We've got another game for you today. We are going to be guessing whether something is a 90s anime character or an NPM package.
I know Sailor Moon and Reboot only because I was so mad when they came on TV when I was a kid.
Reboot.
Reboot's not even anime?
It's Canadian. Yeah, no.
Is it?
Reboot is one.
Reboot's not even anime.
It's 3D and it's Canadian. So, does not meet any of the qualifications for it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Man.
and I know Dragon Ball and maybe
Ball.
a little bit of... I don't even know if I know the character names from Sailor Moon.
Which Dragon Ball? The Z? Or?
Dragon Ball Z, yeah. But
Dragon Ball Z.
I watch like modern anime.
Dude, CJ, do you have an alt account on Twitter, which is an anime avatar where you just be an absolute awful person?
Definitely not.
No?
Do you have a
Okay.
Crunchyroll account?
I do, yes.
All right. Well, I am at a severe disadvantage. However, my knowledge of obscure NPM packages might save me here.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Let's get going.
Let's do it.
Round 1. Shiki!
I know this one.
I just wrote what it does. All right. Let's go. Ready?
3, 2, 1. It's an NPM package for syntax highlighting.
Yeah, syntax.
I use it on my website. It is fantastic. It's from Aunt Fu, who does like every other amazing package as well.
Yeah, I've used sly.dev and it uses Shiki inside of it.
Yeah.
Oh man. One thing I like about my new site on React Server Components is all of the syntax highlighting is done server side. I can bring as many highlighter packages and plugins for Shiki as I want. And at the end of the day, all it does is just ship HTML with a bunch of classes on it.
You don't got to ship your Shiki. That's great.
Nope.
Round 2. YARS!
YARS. Oh man. I know this one too.
Locked in.
Locked in.
All right, locked in. 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Yeah,
That's
for CLI arcs.
I've actually used that in the past. There's a couple like CLI
YARS.
tools.
Yeah.
But and NPM even has some built in, but they're not very good.
Round 3. Kurama!
All right, I'm
Kurama.
locked in.
Kurama.
Locked in. I think this is anime.
I think it's anime, and I drew what I think it looks like.
You know what? I've never seen Yu Yu Hakusho, but I've heard of it. It is in my knowledge vicinity, but I've not seen Yu Yu Hakusho.
Round 4. Mikan!
Oh, that definitely sounds like a NPM package that would be used for like validating libraries or like doing some like sort of like TCP signal muxing, or maybe it's like a Zen-based UI framework for something weird.
Yeah, locked in.
Locked in.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Anime.
I'm gonna say it's anime.
Yeah.
Anime character. Telepathic school girl.
Gaku and Alice. I haven't heard of that one.
Never heard of Gaku and Alice. Yeah. Randy, good job finding these.
Thank you.
Yeah. Your search history is probably destroyed.
It's so strange. Yeah.
You're going to be getting weird like pillows and like mouse pads for like the next 2 months.
Also, the hardest part here is that there's a lot of people who watch anime who do development.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt some of these are both an anime
Both,
character
yes.
and an NPM package.
Yeah. I'm sure there's an NPM package named Goku out there.
Yeah.
Round 5. Maki!
It's a sushi roll.
Yes.
Yeah.
Are we locked in? Everyone got it?
Yes.
Locked in.
I think it's an NPM package for creating composable functions, asynchronous composable functions.
CJ, what'd you put?
I said NPM, but I think it's a string formatter.
Yeah, I just put
string
NPM because I thought I had seen it before.
That was just a guess.
Couldn't tell you what it does. Yeah.
Okay.
Pixel. Oh,
Cartography.
pixel perfect icons. What's web cartography?
Maps.
Last published 9 years ago. Man, Randy, you went deep on this.
Went deep. Yeah.
That was a tricky one
Realigned.
because it is very clearly could be, it is a Japanese word.
Yeah, I just didn't think it would be a person's name
Yes,
because it's sushi. So.
but
it
also
could be.
it could be. It's
could be.
anime.
Yeah.
Round 6. Yuki!
This is probably good.
Are we ready?
I'm locked
Yes.
in.
I'm saying that's anime.
Yeah, anime. Doesn't it mean like good luck or something like that?
I don't know. I just know it's a name. I know it's a Japanese name. So. Oh.
What?
The answer is both then.
A project directory management tool that maps file structure to README? What?
Oh wow,
I gotta see this.
the README is in Japanese.
Oh wait, I just googled it. There also is an anime character.
There's tons. And there's tons. I guess spelled this specific way. I'm on the anime wiki right now.
That is the only way that's spelled. What? How else do they spell
Well,
it?
because they do
Two Ks?
UKIE or UUKI.
This is the README is in Chinese, by the way.
Is it Chinese?
Yeah, that's my only skill in life.
It's differentiating.
Yeah, differentiating Asian characters.
Cool.
Well,
Japanese are more like woo.
No, okay. So Japanese has 3 different character languages. So like one is Angular, and that's katakana. One is more, and those
They
are like
still use Angular?
American words. And then one is more curly, which is hiragana, which is for Japanese words. And then there are the Chinese characters, which Japanese call kanji, and they use all 3 libraries. Wes.
Wait, so Japanese uses the actual Chinese characters?
Correct.
I ran it through Translate and it detected it as Chinese.
I think this is
confirm.
this is Chinese, but that is a
Okay.
fact that some of the characters in kanji are the same.
Round 7. Haruhi.
Most Japanese, Wes, is a consonant vowel, consonant vowel, consonant vowel.
Haruhi.
Yeah.
Haruhi. Yeah, English is such a messed up language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you locked in?
Locked in.
Locked in.
3, 2, 1. I'm calling this one anime.
Anime. There we go.
Reality blending
Man.
teen.
The Melancholy of Haruhi Suzumiya.
Where are you
Suzumiya.
finding these at? I'm like, I don't know any of these. I mean, I know Yu Yu Hakusho, but I've never seen it.
Round 8. Kuroshiro.
I'm locked in.
I didn't write anything down yet. I was drawing a picture.
Yeah, I'm locked in too. I'm not confident though.
All right, same. I feel
3,
like this
2,
could be a
1.
both situation.
I think it's anime,
Anime.
mainly because that name is too long for an NPM package. Nobody wants to type that.
Kuroshiro.
It's an NPM.
What?
Yeah. Oh,
Cool. It's for converting sentences to hiragana, katakana, or romaji.
Oh, man. We got.
Interestingly, though, you guys are all tied.
Okay.
I got to get ahead here.
Round 9. Kana.
Kana.
all of these.
Man. This is so short. It's got to be an NPM package. Like everything short is taken.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I agree.
Saying NPM.
Man, we all have a very similar logic.
Yeah, and anybody watching this video, if these packages aren't taken, they're going to be taken by the time this video is published.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've gotten to a point where people are now like purchasing packages. Like
yeah.
what was the one Vercel released the other day? NPM install, was it agents?
Oh,
Something
really?
like that. Or
Wow.
I know that both Cloudflare and Vercel released packages where I'm like, damn, how did you get that? And then I looked into like what the previous versions were, and it was clear they
Purchased it.
made it worth their while. Yeah.
Yeah. The
Oh.
right way for building a Node.js web app.
What?
There is a right way, and it is Kana. We've all decided.
Published 9 years ago,
9
0
years ago.
weekly downloads. Kana.js helps you build clean, elegant, RESTful APIs with your effort. It encourages developers to use Promise generator style, which is very nice to manage a synchronous flow. Man, this was way ahead of its time.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Using
Generators. I guess
Promise and generators
it was
9
like
years
Koa.
ago?
Similar to how Koa
Yeah.
did generators.
That's wild.
Round 10. Kenshiro.
That one, I think that one's easy for me.
Yeah, I think after this, someone's going to build a bot that like scrapes Anime Wiki and just starts registering NPM packages.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
I'm calling this one anime. Man,
Anime.
we are all the same.
On that same page, yeah. Yeah. Fist of the North Star.
Fist of the North Star. Super violent.
Round 11. Rio.
Locked in.
Locked in.
When Wes locks in so fast, I always think it's an NPM package.
You can write three letters that fast, yeah.
Yeah. All right, ready?
Oh shoot, yeah. 3, 2, 1. NPM.
All right, this is
we're
gonna be
finally
interesting.
not the same.
Here
Yeah.
we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh!
Okay.
I've seen City Hunter, but also Ryo is a super common Japanese name, so
Really?
well, I mean, within anime, it's in Street Fighter, for God's sake.
Hold on. There might be a
both.
package called Rio.
There is. It was published 9 years ago. I don't think we're gonna find one that's not.
I was a big user of Rio. There's no README, but like
Yeah, version 0.15 that has no code, just a package.json. They are using TypeScript, so they were using TypeScript 9 years ago, which is pretty.
that's
fun.
amazing. Actually,
That is amazing.
It doesn't look like it's been filled out at all.
Yeah, I don't even know what it does. They just probably it was a
Remote service implementation.
It was a 3-letter name, so they just took it, but it doesn't do anything.
So what are you calling that one? Are we saying that's a tie?
I
don't
would
know.
say that one is anime.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
there's not even any like actual functionality in this Rio.
Okay.
I have City Hunter on my Plex if anybody wants to.
No thanks.
Round 12. Lockon.
Oh.
I'm locked in.
I'm in.
All right, I'm locked in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm saying this is NPM. I've heard of it.
Yeah, it was the replacement for Moment.js.
Look at you,
Yeah.
Wow.
CJ.
Immutable date library.
But this library, so you know how like Moment.js, like for the longest time, people were like, stop using it because it modifies the date prototype. This was their
Yeah.
Yes.
their first adventure into trying to make something immutable,
Yes.
Did Moment modify the date prototype?
something like that.
It was immutable where like calling methods on it would mutate the original date object. I think that was the problem. I don't think it actually touched the date prototype. Man, I never used Lockon. I moved to date functions for the longest time, and now
Same.
hopefully we're moving to temporal now that it's hit Firefox.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just used the polyfill temporal. Yeah.
Can we wager points for this last one? Because Scott's gonna win. I mean, if we all guess the same thing.
Yeah, let's go nuts.
Okay.
Okay. Wager.
10.
I'm doing 10.
All my points.
Final round. Botton.
I was hoping this would be like Shinji or something easy.
Yeah.
That one's hard.
I don't know, and I'm worried I'm going to lose.
All right, are you guys ready?
Locked in.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. I'm
Anime.
saying it's NPM.
Anime.
Oh, so we're
Anime.
gonna have 'em.
Oh
It's either
man.
me or Wes.
Yes.
Yu Yu Hakushu. Yes.
Yu Yu Hakushu.
Yu
No way. There's
Hakushu.
got to be something.
There probably is. But I would say if it doesn't have any, if it's not recent, then it won't count.
Botton, a fully asynchronous wrapper of the Botton crypto library for Node.js.
Here's the
published
deal, Wes.
13
It
years
doesn't
ago.
matter because I've
13
wagered
years
all my
ago.
points.
It's true.
And
Scott wins no matter
I
what.
win no matter what.
No, but you guess you lose. Oh, yeah, right, because it is also an anime character.
Yeah. But yeah, last published 13 years ago with 1 weekly download. So one person's one person's holding out.
Not even the bots want to download it.
If we do this again, that's how we determine it has to have a certain amount of weekly downloads to be considered
Okay.
valid.
Yeah.
Yes.
Damn. I just threw it
Nice,
all
Scott.
away.
Thank you so much for watching. Let us know how you did, and we will catch you in the next one.